Not counting Disney XD shows such as Phineas and Ferb and Lab Rats, Austin and Ally might be my favourite Disney Channel show. And because it is, let's take a look at my custom minifigures of Austin Moon and Ally Dawson. What do you think of the new intro, by the way? Anyways, what's good, Brick Streeters? It's Adam here from the Brick Boy, back with another video. And as you already know, we're taking a look at minifigures of Austin and Ally from, well, Austin and Ally. I love the show. I love Lego. Yeah, that's why. Now, we'll start things off with Austin Moon. Things off with our male protagonist, singing sensation, Austin Moon. We are starting with these dark blue legs. You can go for any colour. I had dark blue. It works well for like jeans or trousers. Then the torso is this orange jacket. If you look, there's a hood on the back. Yeah, I chose this one because it's kind of a cool teenager-y look in America, which they wear. I sometimes wear stuff like that. What I considered using was this hidden side torso from Jack. But I like this one for whatever reason. I could have easily done this one if I wanted to go with the red colour scheme. But this looks like the thing he wore in, damn it, I don't remember the episode name. The one where they sung Timeless. And the head comes from the punk rocker from the collectible minifigure series. And the hairpiece comes from the tennis ace, also from a collectible minifigure series. They're from different ones. Also, you can see I've gotten the red guitar. Now we're gonna build onto Ally Dawson. Now I want to point something out before I tell you how to build. Your boy forgot to put her songbook in, her iconic songbook from the show. Don't touch my book. Yeah, this idiot lost it in among his massive Lego collection. Adam, what were you thinking? Yeah, so sorry about that. But fortunately, I remember what you should do. Just use any book piece. It's a brown one. A brown book from like the Harry Potter line or something. You can get it anywhere, I think. Anyways, we're starting off with some sand blue legs. Much like with Austin, you can do any colour legs. And then the torso comes from the Fun at the Beach People pack. The head is a Lego City head. And the hairpiece comes from some Hermione Granger or the Centaur. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for another cool video.